Do it again.
Get up, Muffin! I think he's getting mad.
Oops.
Did it work?
What is he doing?
He's dying.
Wait, remember that little kid? I love trains! Okay, I'll tell you the story. So we were at Zach Young's, and this little boy comes up to us, and he's telling us what he's getting for Christmas, and it was really weird, but it was really funny. And he's like, I'm getting this and this, and 2 diesels, and he's telling us about how he's getting all these trains and stuff, and he's like, and we're like, so you like trains? And he's like, I love trains!
It was funny.
It was funny. That was the story. Hey, Kalita. Hey, Fernandita.